Well, good afternoon. It's about 5 minutes to noon, Sunday, January 12th, 2025. I hope everybody's doing good. I almost forgot to do this today. I was quite honestly ready to go call it a day and zero it out. It is what it is. Anyway, been sitting here checking a few videos and surfing around. Found a couple of apartments in Cebu I was looking at, and yeah, I can do that. The cost is going to be easy to handle. Anyway, yeah, part of me says, just get it for the first 2 weeks and then figure something out after that, in case it's a little hellhole. That, yeah. The other part says, I can do 3 months anywhere, and, you know, you'll get a better price if it's 3 months than 2 weeks. I don't know. Still trying to decide on that. So, anyway, I had a bit of a busy morning. Bunch of work crew in, and yeah, nothing like having 25 work crew rooms for Sunday morning. And we lost one. They left out this morning, but another one came in last night. So, yeah. Of course, the ones that left out this morning are coming back Monday night or Tuesday night. I forget which. I don't know why they're out of sync with the work week, but other people's processes, not mine. Uh, let's see. Yeah. Trying to get July figured out. And I'll know a little bit more of that come the end of this month, and getting to get my house on the market and everything filed and going. Uh, that's so much fun. Dealing with all the paperwork. I'm going to try to, if the snow melts, I'm going to try to get back out here and do a little work in the backyard this weekend before the end of the month. Uh, I'm going to be having a fun time. Somebody's taking a vacation and will be gone for 2 weeks. So hopefully it won't be too bad and everybody shows up the way they're supposed to, and I'll get a little overtime out of it, but not much. As long as everybody does what they're supposed to do, we're okay. But you never know. Yeah. Welcome to reality. Lightning strikes. So yeah, that'll be starting off at the end of next week. But that's okay. We've got it covered. What else was there? Oh, supposed to be getting my different SSD drive in, because this one here, when you plug it in, it just sits there and runs and runs and runs, and it's not supposed to do that. And that's supposed to come in Monday, so come in tomorrow. We'll see. Shows it hasn't shipped yet, but I do have just right, let's see, a mile this direction is an Amazon warehouse. So they could ship it and have it here all in the same day if they want it. So, yeah, that is kind of part of what it is. But I'm trying to deal with this. Part of me wants to go ahead, get it, and swap it out and get it shipped back over. Thing is, it doesn't get to go here. I got to ship it FedEx or whatever it is. Not FedEx, UPS. So as soon as this one gets here, I'll ship this one out. Or the new one gets here, I'll ship this one out. But I'm going to double check, make sure that it's acting right before I go dealing with this problem. Because I don't know about you, but sometimes it seems like things run in batches. And one thing gets passed and it gets passed a lot. And you'll have, a whole batch that has the same exact problem and it didn't get caught because of something. So if I have another one that is the same batch as this SSD case enclosure, it could be the same thing and have the same problem. I'm hoping that I don't have the same problem because, well, don't want to have to go through the process of shipping. Anyway, it is such fun. What else was there? This camera. I actually like this camera. And it sets, I got a little bitty tripod for it, and it sets and it's pretty good. It's just when I sit it down here, it looks, I'm staring up at the screen, and if I set it up, it's in the screen and off to the side, so I'm looking like that instead of trying to look straight at it. And yeah, I really need to take and move it up, but I don't have area right there unless I slide everything over. And until I actually get everything set up, it needs to be where I can, have access to it. So I'm out of position. At least that's my thought there. Uh, and I'm trying to decide whether I want to use this TP Link as the front side and then the travel one as my travel, or do I want to just go ahead and get a second travel one and have them both the same? That means it's easier to do the programming on it. Hopefully, less headaches trying to get them to cooperate with each other. I don't know. Apparently, TP Link has some issues and is causing, well, my one of my browsers, when I run through TP Link, is showing that I have an ad blocker on. I don't understand why. Because as far as I know, I don't have an ad blocker. But yeah. But I go to my other browser and it works just fine. It doesn't have an ad blocker. So why is YouTube showing me as having an ad blocker when I don't have an ad blocker? I don't get this. I just don't know. I'm trying to find a settings, see if it's in the settings, but haven't figured that out yet. That's the fun stuff. And I don't really like the way the TP's router works. Doesn't really have the abilities of the other one. So I'm thinking I'm going to get rid of it. And, yeah, get another one of the other one. I don't know. Anyway, it's yeah, it's cooking up on getting late for me. So I am definitely ready to call this hazard of working nights. Noon comes and yeah, it's like midnight and you're ready to sleep. Actually, yeah, it's late for me. So I do want to go to bed. Hazard of night shift. We still have snow on the ground, probably will for another week in some spots. My driveway probably being one of them because I got a big tree that kind of blocks the sun from getting to it. Keeps the car from getting too hot during the summer, mostly. But it also, yeah, it keeps the snow from getting melted because the sun don't get there. But during the summer, the sun's a little bit higher and runs a little past it, and well, now without the branches that the birds were sitting in and pooping on my car, they don't poop on my car anymore, but yeah. It is what it is. Everything has a trade-off, a consequence to a choice, to a decision. And we all get to suffer those decisions because we made a choice. Even not making a choice is a choice because you're choosing not to choose. And that leaves it up to whatever happens because of not choosing. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm ready for the day to be done. I hope y'all have had a blessed weekend. Got to have a lot of good food and friends and family. And maybe some playtime on a computer that didn't try to drive you completely crazy. uh, it is what it is. And I don't know why, but sometimes computers are just downright ornery. Some days I really would like to take a baseball bat to them or throw them out a window. Just me. Anyway, I'm Williams Philippines. Thanks for subscribing, coming along. Please hit like, comment, and subscribe. I haven't had a comment in a while, so I hope y'all are doing well. Crunch, Dan, Winter. Anyway, later blessings, bye bye. This is Fish, and Fish is out.